In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your Audi A6 key fob battery. It's a really easy process. It'll just take a couple minutes. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. If you'd like to get this online, just go down to the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. And now, just getting right into it, what we want to do is flip this over, find the button on the key here, this removable key. Just hold the button down and pull it out. And now here you can see on the front side, there's this little tab. This is a button, actually. You can see that. Hold that down and pull and wiggle, and this component will come right out of there. You can see the battery is in there. You can just simply remove it with your fingers. And when you got your new CR2032 battery and you're ready to put it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign and all this text on it is facing down. Simply click it into place, positive side down, and then we will put it right back in. So the battery should be facing up if the buttons are facing up, just like this. And push it all the way in. You might hear a click, it might just stop, but you just want to make sure that is secure before you put your key back in there. And if you want to make sure everything is working well, just hit the button. Maybe mine is running a little bit low, but you can see that light turning on. And that'll just show you that your battery has juice in it, that it's facing the right way, and that you did everything correctly. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.